and welcome to the HSEbox.com channel. This video is part of a series of videos dedicated to simplifying the study for the Nebosh exam, or just to remember some international concepts related to health and safety at work. We take the opportunity to inform you that we do not represent nor intended to represent any institution linked to Nebosh certification. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. We are happy to help you. So let's get started. Element 5. Investigation, recording, and reporting of health and safety incidents. Part 1. What are the reasons to investigate accidents?
Prevent future accidents by identifying and eliminating the causes. Demonstrate concern about people's health and safety. Improve worker morale. Identify weaknesses in management time. Prevent business losses. Collate accident and ill health data and identify trends. Defend criminal cases. Defend claims for compensation.
Define accident.
Accident, an unplanned, unwanted event that results in a loss.
Define incident.
Incident, near miss, an unplanned, unwanted event that has the potential to result in loss.
Why you should consider and investigate near misses?
Near misses indicate that the potential for serious accidents is present, and by reacting to the near misses they will prevent an accident to happen in the future.
What actions should be taken after an accident?
When you talk about the action after an accident, this can be divided into 3 different moments in time: immediate, initial, longer term.
The immediate action should be
treatment for injured personnel, make the area safe, initiate emergency plan, contact emergency services, preserve scene for investigation, may have to notify enforcing authority.
The initial action right after the immediate one should be
identify witnesses, report details to senior management, report details to the insurance company.
Longer-term action should include
decide the depth of the investigation and select team, gather evidence at the scene, interview witnesses, examine documents, appoint specialists if necessary.
Who should be part of the investigation team?
The team to investigate the accident always depend on the size and complexity of the organization, as well the severity of the accident, but should be included if possible. Supervisors and line managers from the department where the accident occurred. A senior manager from another department. Health and safety professionals. Specialists engineers. Representative of workers. Employee experienced in the work activity.
What are the direct, immediate, and root underlying causes of an accident?
A direct immediate cause is the result of physical contact with an object or hazardous substance and is usually the result of one or more unsafe acts, unsafe conditions, or both. The root underlying cause of an accident usually is related to the failures in management systems or procedures that have led to the accident.
What are unsafe acts and unsafe conditions?
The unsafe act is a violation of an accepted safe procedure that could permit the occurrence of an accident. An unsafe condition is a hazardous physical condition or circumstance which could directly permit the occurrence of an accident.
If you miss some information, You can review this video again. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We are ready to help you. You can also download this information for free. Just follow the link below. We recommend you to see the other videos in this series. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It will really help us to create more videos like this. Don't forget to always stay safe. Bye bye. See you soon.